everyone, my name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston, and welcome to our virtual story time. Today we are going to be reading What Can You Do with a Toolbox by the cousins Anthony Carrino and John Colaneri. It's illustrated by Maple Lamb, and we are reading today's story with the permission of Simon & Schuster Publishing. And we would like to thank our sponsor, Phillips 66, for sponsoring today's story time and the museum's Read Strong All Year Long program. Let's begin. What's that big red box? This is a toolbox. What can you do with a toolbox? It's what's inside the toolbox that is useful. Do you want to learn what we can do with the toolbox? Yes! Safety always comes first. These are safety glasses to protect our eyes. These are hard hats to protect our heads. Work gloves and work boots keep our hands and feet safe. Now it's time to build. We build with tools, and we always use tools with adults. Adult, child. This is a wrench. We use a wrench to turn a nut. We use a wrench and nuts and bolts to assemble the sink set. Not all tools fit in a box. This is a shovel. We use a shovel to fill the sandbox with sand. This is a screwdriver. A screwdriver turns a screw to fasten the cargo net, like this. This is a tape measure. We use it to measure how tall we want to make the slide. And this is the level. We use it to make sure the monkey bars are straight. This is a hammer. Those are nails. We use a hammer and nails to connect floorboards when we build a deck. This is a saw. We use a saw to cut the railing for stairs. This is a drill. We use a drill to tighten the screws and bolts to assemble the door frame. This is a ladder. We use a ladder to reach the roof. These are paintbrushes. With paintbrushes and paint, we can turn the walls any color we want. What can we do with the toolbox? We can build a playground. The end. Thank you for joining me for today's story time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on social media for more awesome videos. My name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston, and hope to see you next time. Bye!